Finding a forgotten Gmail password directly isn't possible for security reasons, but you can reset it to regain access. Begin by going to the Gmail sign-in page and entering your email address. When prompted for the password, click on the Forgot Password link. Google will then guide you through a series of recovery options to verify your identity. The first option may ask you to enter the last password you remember. If you can't remember any previous passwords, select Try Another Way. Google might then send a verification code to your recovery email or phone number if these recovery options were set up when you created your account. Enter the code you received to move forward. If you don't have access to your recovery methods, you may be asked additional security questions or details related to your account history. Once you successfully verify your identity, you'll be given the option to create a new password. After choosing a secure new password, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for safety, you can access your Gmail account again. Remember to update any devices or apps with this new password and consider storing it in a secure place or using a password manager for future reference.